Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to find and interpret variance and standard deviation for the ungrouped data. Measure of dispersion is how the data is spread out or dispersed from the mean. The smaller the dispersion value, the more consistent the data. The larger the dispersion value, the more spread out the data values are. This means that the data is not as consistent. So here, the dispersion can be shown as in the graph. The larger dispersion will be the more spread out. Okay, the smaller dispersion will be the more consistent. For the ungrouped data, we have this formula. For the grouped data, we have this formula. Okay, now we look at the example. We are going to find variance and standard deviation for this set number. Assume sample if not mentioned in the question. Now we are going to draw a table. We are going to put our x value and then we are going to find x squared. 6 squared will be 36, 49, 100, 121, 121, 169, 256. Calculate 18, 3 to 4. Calculate 25, 6 to 4. And then based on this formula, we are going to need summation of x squared. This one, we are going to find the summation of x squared. And then we need summation of x and then we square. So we need summation of x. N will be our data, number of data. Now we are going to calculate for the summation. Summation of x will be 117. Summation of x squared will be 1801. And then we are going to substitute into this formula. This one is variance. 1 over n minus 1 over n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So n equals to 9. So we have 1 over 9 minus 1 multiplied by summation of x squared. One 1801 minus summation of x 117. We put square and then divided by 9. Calculate, we are going to get 35. So our variance is equals to 35. The standard deviation will be s, means square root of 35. 5.9161. So this is our standard deviation. Example 2, we have ungrouped frequency distribution here. We have x and we have frequency. We are going to find the sample variance and standard deviation. So now we list down our x, our frequency, and then we are going to find fx and fx squared. Fx is 0, 5, 2, 7, 14, 9, 8, and 5. Fx squared means x is square, so 0 square multiplied by 2 is 0. 1 square multiplied by 5 is 5. 2 square multiplied by 7. 28, 9, 3 square multiplied by 3 is 27, 4 square multiplied by 2, 32, 5 square multiplied by 1 will be 10. And then we are going to find the summation of fx and fx square. So here will be fx and then fx square. And then we have summation of fx is 41. Summation of x square will be 102. And then the formula for this variance will be n minus 1. So here we are going to find n. Our n is equals to summation of f. So summation of f will be 20. And then we substitute 1 over 20 minus 1 multiplied by summation of fx square 102 minus summation of f 41 square divided by 20. And then calculate. Our variance is equals to 0.9447. So the standard deviation will be square root of 0.9447. Zero point 9720. So that's all for variance and standard deviation for ungrouped data. Please do the exercise for the more understanding. And then thank you. Bye bye.